Hello all, welcome to Java sessions from Code by Programming. In the previous sessions, we have understood about how to install how to install Java on our machines and how to set the path. In this session, we'll understand and we'll see, is it mandatory for us to set the path? Why do we need to set the path? So Java programs can be executed using IDEs like NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ, and we have many other IDEs also. And in the same way, Java programs can also be executed using command prompt. If we are executing the code or Java programs with the help of command prompts, it is mandatory for us to set the path. Why? Because when we are executing on the command prompt, when we open the command prompt and when we use the commands like Java, that is used for executing the code, and Java C, that is used for compiling the code. These commands are not the part of command prompt. Command prompt does not understand these commands. So it is mandatory for us to tell from which software or from which tools we are using these tools. Like how many tools we have. Java is a tool. I mean, what we say Java, this is a tool that is used in Java software, which is used for executing the code. And Java C is also a tool. Java C is also a tool, again, which is used for compiling the code. In this way, we also have other tools like Java doc, and there are also many other tools, so which are used for the process of compiling the code, executing the code, making the code into a RAR file. So it is mandatory for us to tell from where are we using this. So that is the reason we set the path. In which folder does they contain? They are present in where we have installed in C drive, program files, Java. So assume that I have installed JDK 12. So in this bin, so whatever you see here, these are the tools. So you can see something called Java over here. So this is a tool which is used for executing Java C. This is a tool for compiling Java doc. This is a tool for creating Java documentations. So in this way, we have several tools. Likewise, we need to tell the command prompt that we are using all these tools from this particular location. That is the reason we set the path. But in case, if you are executing the code using IDEs, IDEs like IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment, right? So there are different kinds of IDEs, like you can say IntelliJ. So this is most commonly used in the industry because this is very much familiar and very much user friendly. And the other one, that is Eclipse, and the other most commonly used is NetBeans. But more than NetBeans, Eclipse and IntelliJ are widely used. IntelliJ is very popular and it is very much user friendly, and we have many options when we are working with any of the application. And not only these, we have also many other IDEs which we can use for executing the Java program. But if you're working on any of these IDEs, it's not necessary for you to set the path. You can directly install these IDEs and start working upon, because they are called as integrated development environment, which means that you can compile the code there itself, you can execute the code, and you can also write your source code. Just like your Turbo C, where Turbo C, you write the source code there, you execute it from there. In the same way, this works. But when you're working on the command prompt, you write the code in a notepad or Edit Plus, and then you execute the code using the command prompt. So that is the reason you are using some tools or the commands on the command prompt. So we are helping the command prompt to understand that from this particular location we are using these tools. So when this tool is pressed, when this tool is being used. So command prompt access them from the given location, that is by setting the path. If you are using the command prompt to execute the programs and notepad to write the source code or 8+ to write the source code, then it's mandatory for you to set the path. But in case if you are using any of the IDEs, it's not mandatory for you to set the path. So hope now you are clear with why do we need to set the path when we are working on notepad and command prompt. In the next session, we'll understand about the internal structure of Java execution, why it has become platform independent, what is the difference between C and Java. Thank you all. So if you have any doubts, you can mail me at codebayprogramming@gmail.com. If you have any doubts, you can just mail me at this particular ID, or you can even comment. Thank you all. See you in the next session.